Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. Today I have a really neat layered card for you. This is my wintertime layered card. I really love how striking this one is. You have all the different blues and then the different reds there. That sweet little house tucked into the woods. This little deer here just walking around in the snow, and these really beautiful trees flanking the house as well. There's a big messaging panel there on the inside, and I included an envelope as well. This one could totally be used for Christmas or for the winter months. It's totally up to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, brayer, scraper, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holidays with the Housewife 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, the download button will be located on the event page. If you're watching this after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file for this project in my shop, or purchase the VIP Access Pass that gives you access to all 12 event files, printable worksheets, video tutorials, and commercial licensing. You'll be able to find more information on both of those options in the video description below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can go ahead and open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers. Click on this top layer. Come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Click on that icon, highlight the top layer, come up to the Operation menu and change it to Score. Highlight the group and attach. Once you've converted the score lines for the envelope and the card base, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is layer the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer this together, but from back to front, you're going to start with the white or gray, the dark red, red, light blue, and then dark blue. Now I'm going to go ahead and layer all of this together, and then I will show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side so everything can go ahead and dry. Let's grab our messaging panel. We'll go ahead and layer that. And set that to the side. Let's take our card base. We're going to fold and burnish along the score line. You can open up the card and attach the messaging panel to the inside. Close up the card, and we can attach the front cover panel to the front. There is our card. I will set that to the side. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip that inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, fold the side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms your envelope. And our card is all set. What did you think of this one? You could totally make it even more wintry with some glitter cardstock, some metallic cardstock to give it some different texture. If you have some pattern paper where you can add some snowy effect to the background, it's completely up to you, and I think that the possibilities are pretty endless. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holidays with the Housewife video. Bye-bye.